In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sub-account in Twilio. Whether you're managing multiple projects, environments, or client needs, using sub-accounts can help streamline your operations within Twilio. Let's walk through the process together, and by the end of this guide, you'll have a clear understanding of how to set up a sub-account easily and efficiently. First, you're going to want to access the sub-accounts page. To do this, start by logging into the Twilio console. Once you're inside, navigate to the section specifically labeled for sub-accounts. This is your central hub for managing everything related to sub-accounts, so it's important to familiarize yourself with its layout. Once you're comfortable, take note of any existing sub-accounts listed. This helps you keep track of what's already in place before adding new ones. Now, with your sub-accounts page open, the next step is to click on the option labeled Create New Sub-Account. This is typically found prominently displayed on the page, often accompanied by a plus symbol or similar indicator, ensuring it's easy to spot. Clicking this will open up a new interface where you'll input details for your new sub-account. As you prepare to enter information, consider what you want to name this sub-account. Twilio's system requires you to enter a friendly name. Choosing an effective friendly name is crucial as it serves as a quick reference to identify the purpose or owner of the account within your Twilio dashboard. For example, if you're creating a sub-account for a specific client or project, use a name that reflects that, such as the client's name or the project's designation. This makes it far easier to keep your accounts organized and retrieve information at a glance. Once you have decided on an appropriate friendly name, go ahead and type it in the provided field. Double-check your input to ensure it's accurate and meaningful to you and your team. When you're satisfied with your selection, it's time to save these details. To create the new sub-account, look for the button that simply says Create. Once you click this, the system will process your request and set up the new sub-account corresponding with the information you provided. You should now see your recently created sub-account appear within the list of accounts on the console page. As you wrap up this process, it's a good idea to verify the new sub-account is listed as expected. Double-check that the friendly name matches what you input and ensure there are no immediate missing settings or configurations. This verification step helps prevent any potential issues down the line, such as misattribution or confusion. There you have it, a straightforward process to setting up a sub-account in Twilio. Following these steps will help ensure your activities within Twilio are both organized and scalable, making your overall experience much more efficient. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.